Hi, my name is Ali. I'm with AI Digital Marketing Blog. You know what's great about artificial intelligence? It helps make your digital marketing even more effective. Wondering how AI can do this for you? AI will identify the type of person it thinks you're targeting and then tailor your content strategy accordingly. This way, you stand a better chance at reaching the right people. Plus, AI learns as you use it, so your strategies will continue to grow and evolve over time. Think of it like raising a child. It's hard work but so worth it. It doesn't stop there. AI has already been found to be just as good at creating content as humans are. And by working together with humans, it's possible for them to make content that is more engaging and resonates better with your audience. As the world moves towards becoming a digital-first society, using AI as part of your digital marketing strategy can be invaluable. It will allow you to automate the day-to-day repetitive work so you can focus on getting more customers and make more sales. You can even use it to improve your SEO results, since it will create better quality content for your site. Not sure if AI is right for your business? It's okay, you don't have to rush in. But bear in mind that the sooner you start implementing AI into your digital marketing strategy, the sooner you'll gain access to these amazing benefits. If you want to learn more about how AI can help your business, feel free to check out some of my articles linked in the description below. I'd love to hear from you. Hope that helps.